walking on San Rafael. It's early, but the energy is already high. This is the commercial heart of the city, a place where the hustle is a necessity, not a choice. Notice the change in architecture as we move toward the center. These marble benches have seen centuries of history, but today they're a walk space for locals catching a breeze or a signal. Look at the lion statues guarding the entrance. There's a cinematic weight to this street, but if you look past the colonial facades, you see the daily grind of life in 2026. The street-level finance here is fascinating. Everything has a price, and everyone is an entrepreneur. In a city where the official and the unofficial coexist, this is the grand stage. Leaving the shade of the trees behind. We're heading toward the water. You can smell the salt in the air before you even see the blue of the Caribbean. Havana's so far. 5 miles of concrete that holds the weight of the city. In the evenings, this is where the city breathes, but in the heat of the day, it's raw and exposed. Watching the vintage cars rattle past. It's not a museum piece here, it's a masterclass in survival and mechanical ingenuity. If it runs, it's a miracle of engineering. The contrast is striking. On one side, the crashing waves. On the other, buildings that are literally being reclaimed by the sea air. It's a beautiful, decaying front row seat to history. As we prepare to turn back inland, notice the price of paradise. It looks like a postcard. But for the people living in these salt-worn apartments, the reality is far more complex. Now we're heading deeper into the city. This is where the tourist filters fall away. No more marble, just grit. This is the most densely populated borough, and you can feel it immediately. Listen to the soundscape. Carts, shouting, vendors, the hum of ancient refrigerators. This is the real pulse. This is where the concept of compound interest feels like a world away from the daily search for basics. The unfiltered side of the city. Every doorway tells a story of three families living in a space meant for one. It's cramped, it's loud, and it's incredibly human. Notice the bodegas and the lines forming in these streets. Life is measured in hours spent waiting, and the resourcefulness of the lucha, the struggle to make ends meet. We're nearing the end of our walk. The sun is setting over the crumbling rooftops. There is a dignity in this chaos that a 4,000 lens can barely capture, but we try anyway.